Actually, we do not have automatic loading transporter for loading apples into the peeling machine. So apples are loaded in this hole, and then they are stopped by these bars, and when the turn comes, the bars are moving away and let the apple fall down into the place. Then this small wheel is moving the apple in order to orientate apple with hole up and hole down. You know, apple has a hole in the top and in the bottom. In order to make penetration of the knives which are picking the apple, they are going exactly in this hole. But I repeat one more time, we don't have automatic loading of this machine. So apple, in this case, you can put apples manually. But as far as I saw at ABL website, they have special machines, transporters, which are loading apples into machine.